Good evening, I'm Marisa Vader. Thank you for joining us tonight on News 8 at 5. I'm here in the Weather Center with Jesse Hawila, and we're starting things off here because we're already seeing some storms on the radar moving our way.
Yeah, some good news, some bad news here this evening. First, I want to start with the severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for a good portion of North Texas. It does include Dallas County, Tarrant County, Rockwall County, Kaufman County, virtually along the I-20 corridor and areas to the south. Our main concerns, golf ball size hail, and maybe some winds up to 60, 70 miles per hour in the strongest storms. I'm not expecting widespread severe weather. Now, the good news, this complex of thunderstorms has gotten a little too big for its britches, if you will, too fast. So you see how those storms popped up west toward Brownwood earlier this afternoon. They kind of fanned out, or what we call grow upscale, a little too quickly. That means the storms now moving toward the metro will have a much more difficult time becoming strong or severe than those storms well to the south. And you'll see that reflected here on radar over the last couple of hours. Our only severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect right now are well south of DFW. They're toward Waco. And right now what we have moving in toward Fort Worth, I know a lot of you folks are about to head out this evening, or some of you may be watching on our app right now. Here's what you need to know. Rain is moving in toward Fort Worth. Yes, there's some lightning, a little bit of thunder, some periods of heavy rain, but no severe weather moving into the metro right now. Weatherford seeing some pockets of heavy rain a little bit farther south of Tarrant County. Notice Covington. This storm right here, I'm going to keep an eye on. It could produce hail up to the size of Nichols. The farther south you go, that's where the more strong storms are. Still a risk, maybe some hail there near Glen Rose moving toward Cleburne. So we'll keep an eye on this cluster of storms. By far the most impressive storm, and it is a very impressive storm, is south of North Texas. It's in Bell, Coryell, and McLennan County, moving toward Waco, at least south of Waco. This thunderstorm has the potential to produce hail up to the size of eggs. 2 inches in diameter, very large hail. So we're going to monitor these thunderstorms rolling through. I'm still keeping an eye on more storm development west of this initial complex, but let's break down the timing over the next several hours. By 5 o'clock, there you go. You see we have right now these thunderstorms lined up from Granbury moving into Fort Worth. This model is doing a fantastic job of showing the timing. By 6 p.m., the strongest thunderstorms again to the south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Still could see a few thunderstorms in DFW. By 7 p.m., we're still talking Dallas County down through Hillsborough, Corsicana, and Terrell. Then by the time we get to 8 and 9, and certainly beyond that, most of the thunderstorms well into East Texas. We have another risk for severe weather on Sunday. We'll talk about that coming up.
Okay, thank you.